先生们、哥们、gentlemen, 这个视频会教你如何搞 call options. In this video, I'm going to actually buy some Bitcoin call options and teach you the very basics of how they work. 那么我热爱 call options, 哥们, I love them. But it's not just me who loves call options. 很多外国年轻哥们也超级爱投 call options. 你还记得 GameStop 那个故事吗？在2020年 GameStop 股票涨了好多倍，狂涨了。为什么呢？因为很多外国年轻哥们狂买了 GameStop call options 在 Robinhood 平台上，所以外国年轻的 Degens 已经爱上 call options 了。And now it's your turn. 咱们举一个例子吧。今天比特币是2万美元，但你認為比特幣在1年之內會漲到4到6萬美元。Okay, the question is, how do you bet on that and make money? Well, you could just buy and hold Bitcoin. 簡單。Let's say you buy and hold Bitcoin, 你等1年 Bitcoin 漲到了6萬美元，恭喜你，你漲了3倍。Or you could buy a call option. 看，我知道你可能看不懂這個 screen, but just follow along, 慢慢來，我會教你的。Expiration date, September 2023. Strike price, $40,000. And the cost of the option is 0.0805 Bitcoin. And 我們算一算, if Bitcoin does go to $60,000 at expiration in 1 year's time, then this option contract will expire with a value of $1,839. 什麼亂七八糟，老子一句聽不懂我去。Don't worry, 哥們, I will explain it to you. 那麼我剛講到了兩個單詞，你可能沒聽懂。The strike price and the expiration date. 我教你。The strike price is just the price of Bitcoin. 這裡中間的數字都是 strike price. 看看你可以買40,000, 30,000, 20,000, 100,000 strike price, 等等. This is the price that you're betting that Bitcoin will get to. 那麼 expiration date 是券的到期日子。你可以買 call options that expire tomorrow or call options that expire in 1 year. OK, 現在我們實際買一個 call option 吧。看看，假如咱們覺得比特幣會漲到$25,000 within 1 month. 那麼首先我們要找對的 expiration date. Click on that. Then we find our desired strike price, 25K. 點進去。然後有兩個選擇 buy or sell. And on the right, we see the order book. 那麼什麼是 order book 呢？ An order book shows us all the live buy and sell orders. You can see all the buy orders and the sell orders coming in. 以前就是在 trading floor 上，很多男人站在那邊大聲喊。但是這個 option order book is not bidding to buy and sell Bitcoin. They are bidding to buy and sell this specific Bitcoin call option. And the price of the call option is always changing. 好吧，咱們買這個 call option 吧。If we buy one whole call option, it will cost us this amount here in Bitcoin and dollars, but we can actually buy as little as 1/10, 0.1, to make it less expensive. 那麼我們買它之前，我們要知道怎麼算出咱們的盈利。We need to calculate our profit and loss, our break-even price. And this is where we can use Excel. 那麼 Excel 裡面可以收入 the current Bitcoin price, and then 收入 the strike price and the option price and the option quantity, and then voila, 就能看到這個經典的 call option graph. And this 經典的 call option graph is probably my favorite graph in the world, 哥們, because 裡面有非常深刻的哲學，等一會會告訴你。Now our break-even price is the strike price plus the cost of the option. As long as Bitcoin is above this number, we are in the money. And the higher the price of Bitcoin goes up, the more profit we have. The key thing to remember with call options is that they have limited downside, defined downside, and unlimited upside. They have defined downside because the most you can lose is the price of the call option. That's as much as you can lose. You can't lose any more than that. But, 哥们, the most you can 盈利 is, 无限的. Because theoretically, there's no limit to how much the asset, or Bitcoin in this case, can go up. So if we look at the graph, if we say Bitcoin goes to $200,000, then our call option will be worth nearly $16,000. Remember, 哥们, 成本才是 $160, so that would be a 100x. If Bitcoin goes up to $200,000 within a year, that would be a 10x for Bitcoin, but for your call option, it would be a 100x return. The option would be worth 100x the value it is today. So that's why degens love call options, because there is theoretically unlimited upside. 发财. Okay, 第7个辣妹期权。这个 graph 能帮我们更好的生活，更好的打破平庸。举一个例子，哥们，你在路上看到一个辣妹子，你是不是该搭讪她？我们用来期权分析这个情况。So, what is the cost of the option of 搭讪一个辣妹? What's the 成本? What's the worst thing that could happen when you 搭讪一个辣妹？你可以浪费，可能会浪费几分鐘，可能會被拒絕，尬聊，連被打。This is probably the worst thing that can happen. That's what we call limited downside, 哥們。浪費幾分鐘而已。Well, what is the best thing that can happen, 哥們? Well, 你可以愛上他，你可以愛上他，他可以成為你的老婆，10多個規則。You can have a happy family and live happily ever after. All of this is 盈利. All of this is upside. 虧本有限才是浪費幾分鐘而已. That's it. Limited downside. Your upside is 老婆規則快樂. This is unlimited. 盈利無限. 你到底要做什麼，哥們? That's right, 哥們，你給一個出門搭訕一個吧，去搭訕辣妹去吧。另外一個重要點就是You can sell your call option anytime you want. 你可以隨時買它。You do not need to wait until expiration to sell your option. In fact, most options are sold and traded before expiration. Okay, you can buy it today, sell it tomorrow. That's what most people do. 第5個 I think I have forgot to say the numbers in this video, Gurman, so sorry for that, but I am following a very strict script here. So the numbers and the timestamps are below. 第5個 volatility, Gurman. Many things affect the price of an option. This option graph that you can get isn't perfect. It isn't perfectly accurate because other things affect an option's price. And volatility probably has the biggest impact on an option's price. When market volatility is high, when Bitcoin is moving up and down, big moves like 10, 15% every day, volatility is high, and therefore options are more expensive because the market is pricing in bigger moves. But when market volatility is low and the price is just moving sideways for months and months and no big price swings, then options are cheaper because the market is pricing in smaller price moves. Bitcoin has its own volatility index on Deribit called DVOL, and so does Ethereum and Solana. Solana is more volatile and Bitcoin is the least volatile. And this makes sense because Bitcoin is the bigger asset, so it's less volatile because it takes more money to move the price of Bitcoin. Solana is the smallest asset by market cap, so it's more volatile. It takes less money to impact the price. Now, there's many more things that affect an option's price, Gurman. Things like the option Greeks, the delta, the theta, the gamma, and something else, the vega. So that's far too complicated for today, Gurman. We're not going to talk about that today. 第6個，咱們買券吧。看我實際買券。Very exciting, Gurman, because I am going to ape into a call option. Now, 我要買一個短期 call option. 這樣 the volatility is greater and hopefully we can see me winning or losing money. Because 我要把這個視頻發給我做字幕的人，他要過幾天才還給我，所以在這幾天之內 hopefully there'll be some價格變動 and we'll have a look. Okay, so I'm going to buy 28th of October. Strike price 25,000. Click on that, and it's going to cost me, if I want to buy it now, if I want to make a market order, and so that means buying into one of the sell orders that's in the order book, going to cost me $140. And I could buy just 1/10. I could just buy 0.1, which would cost me $14, but I won't. I will buy $140. Now here, Goman, you can see the bid-ask spread. And if we want to, we could leave a bid at this price, which is 0.006, $120, and then wait and hope, fingers crossed, hope that someone will come in, the price would go down to our bid and someone will fill it, and that probably will happen. But for now, we're going to do a lazy market order, press buy, done. By the way, Goman, if you're enjoying the video and you're learning, which hopefully you are, please 赞一个 and 订阅. Very important. Okay, 第8个卖权。那么这个视频主要讲的是 call options, but I wanted to just briefly go over 卖权 because they are the opposite of call options. 它们是相反的. They have unlimited downside, but limited upside. 这样 if you sell those Bitcoin call options that we were buying, then your upside is limited to the cost of the option, so the $160. So your upside is limited to $160, but your downside is unlimited and could be many thousands. And this is why in the industry, option selling or selling premium is referred to as picking up pennies in front of a steamroller. Because most of the time you win and you profit the small premium. But occasionally the market goes against you. 美联储突然印钱 Bitcoin 狂涨 and you have huge losses. You get run over by the steamroller. 清爽了。生活中的卖权例子就是卖毒品。哥们 If you are illegally selling drugs, then your upside is limited. 你的盈利有限. Yes, you can consistently make a small profit, but your downside is unlimited. 你的亏本无限。为什么呢？因为如果你被警察抓了, you're in jail for a long time, maybe your whole life. So, this 就像卖权一样，因此咱们不要卖毒 ，OK？ 咱们生活中要追 call options， 比如说路上搭讪辣妹 call option， 不要卖权，不要卖毒品 ，OK？It's not real, it's English tea leaves, actually, Goman. Okay, Goman, it's been over a week since I purchased that option, and can. Ooh la la. Minus 68%. I have lost money, and the price of the option is now worth $38, and I purchased it for $120. So I'm down. Why am I down so much? Because the price of Bitcoin is down 5%. It was 20k and now it's 19k. But more importantly, this option expires soon. And in options, you have time decay. The closer your call option is to expiration, the faster it will decline in value. And almost 2 weeks have gone by, so the value of my option is down. Down bad. This was just an example for the video, so I'm going to cut my losses now and I'm going to sell. So remember, Goman, this is obviously not financial advice and you can lose a lot of money in options. 第9个交易所风险. Goman, when you buy an option, you can lose all of your money. All of the option premium, the 成本, you can lose it all. 这个我们都知道。但是还有另外一个风险. And that is counterparty risk. When you trade on centralized exchanges, there's always the risk that the exchange can 随时被破产，随时锁你的账号，偷你的钱。And this happened recently with Celsius, Goman. Everybody using Celsius had all their money there, and now it's 被定了。Frozen. It's frozen. All their money is frozen, and they can't get it out, and they probably never will. I'm sorry if this happened to you, but this is crypto. 这就是虚拟货币，一个骗局。It's the Wild West, so you've got to be careful. Now, in this video, I've used Deribit as the example exchange where I buy my call options. However, this video 没有赞助方 they're not sponsoring this video. 下面确实有一个链接 my affiliate link, so if you want to, you can sign up and trade on Deribit. But they're not sponsors of this video. 几个月前 there was some rumors that Deribit 有问题，因为他们最大的投资家是 Three Arrows Capital, and Three Arrows Capital 被破产了. So there was some rumors that they also had some problems and they might 破产. But 一直到现在没什么问题，我还在那邊買賣. But 哥們 counterparty risk is real, okay? Nowhere is safe. So you've got to just stay vigilant, just to let you know. 這就是為什麼我不太喜歡 centralized exchanges. 我更喜歡 decentralized exchanges on-chain, 這樣更透明，特別透明 and 對我來說更安全. But at the moment, the option trading platforms in DeFi hides out. Their liquidity and their prices are not good. Deribit is the best crypto options platform by far at the moment. But in the future, government, everything will be on-chain, all trading, okay? So the future is very bright. But for now, we still have to use some centralized exchanges. So, cuidate. 小心. Okay, 這就是 my call options 最基礎的教堂. Call options 這個事情非常高級，哥們. Only a maths genius can fully understand how call options are calculated. It's called the Black-Scholes model. It's super 高级。我數學不是很好，我不是一個數學人才，其實我是英國人，所以我數學特別爛。But I still buy calls when I have conviction that crypto will go up in a certain time frame. They're a fantastic tool you can use to use leverage and long crypto. So, with that being said, 哥們，點一個讚，評一個論，訂一個閱，and I shall see you next time.